Dropping off your car at Clarington Kia is simple regardless of the time of day you are stopping by for service. When you arrive at the dealership, park in the lot by the service entrance on the north side of the building under the canopy. Bring your keys inside to get your vehicle checked in with one of our friendly service advisors. Our service advisors will verify your contact information, vehicle details, and information pertaining to your service needs. After the work order has been printed, we will need a quick signature authorizing the work, and at that point you are free to wait in any way you prefer. In our customer lounge, at close-by restaurants, or leave the car with us and wait for the work to be completed in the comfort of your own home. Once the service is completed, we will contact you as soon as possible to let you know that the vehicle is ready for pickup. If you are dropping off your car in the evening, you're going to want to use our key drop-off box. When you arrive at the dealership, park in the lot by the service entrance on the north side of the building under the canopy. Head over to the box by the side entrance under the canopy. Pull open the drawer and lift the lid to get an envelope and pen. On the envelope, fill out your contact information and service visit details. Seal your keys inside the envelope and place them inside the drawer. Next, close the drawer, which will drop the keys securely inside the dealership, and then open it again to verify that the keys did in fact drop inside. We will contact you at the time of vehicle write-up and go over all your service visit details. And that's it! Thanks for watching!